The technique for open chain stitch is only slightly different to chain stitch, but it creates a very different effect. The start and end points of each stitch sit further apart than they do with regular chain stitch. As you pull the thread through, leave a loop and bring the needle up within it. Pull the thread through gently to allow the first stitch to form. You can see that I'm using my needle to brace the thread slightly, so that I can see where to take the needle down, still within the loop. As you create the second stitch, the first stitch forms fully, and now you have a new loop to begin the third link on the chain. Continue building the chain in this way, with the previous stitch forming as you create the next stitch. To finish, make anchoring stitches at the lower corners of your final stitch to keep it in place before securing the thread on the reverse. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.